In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the concept of Booleans in JavaScript. This is a fundamental concept in programming, and understanding it can help you make your code more efficient and easier to read. Let's start with a simple example. Here, we've declared a variable called isSunny and assigned it a Boolean value of true. This is a basic representation of a Boolean. It can only be true or false. When we log isSunny to the console, we should see true. And there it is. Our first Boolean in action. As expected, we see true in our console output. Now, let's move on to logical operations. These are operations that return a Boolean value based on certain conditions. Here, we have another variable is raining, assigned a Boolean value of false. We're using the AND operator, AND, which returns true only if both conditions are true. Since it's not raining, the output here will be false. As expected, we get false as the output because although it is sunny, it is not raining. Therefore, is sunny and is raining is false. Next, let's look at the OR operator, vertical bar, which returns true if at least one condition is true. This time, since it's either sunny or raining, or both, the output will be true. And there you have it. True is the output because it's sunny. We'll cover the NOT operator, and truthy and falsy values in more depth in the next video. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the basics of Booleans and logical operations in JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these concepts in your code. Happy coding!